ranking the net worth of the band members of the Rolling Stones. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to UpTech. Number 4, Ronnie Wood. Ronnie Wood comes on the 4th spot with his net worth of $200 million. The English rock musician was widely known for his time spent with the Rolling Stones. He has joined the band after the band parted ways with Mick Taylor in the year 1975. Throughout his time with the Rolling Stones, he was able to release 11 studio albums. He has also appeared in 7 bands' live albums. As a member of the Rolling Stones, he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1989. With his involvement with the Rolling Stones, Wood accumulated a total net worth of $200 million. Though he was made famous for being the band, he is a talented artist and musician capable of playing different instruments. The majority of his wealth came from his time with the Rolling Stones, but he's also a celebrated visual artist and had his work featured in different exhibitions around the world. Number 3, Charlie Watts. The English musician Charlie Watts was the drummer of the rock band The Rolling Stones. He joined the band a year after it was formed and ever since rocked the stage with the band until he tragically passed away on August 24, 2021. With a net worth of $250 million, he takes the 3rd spot on the list to rank Rolling Stones members' net worth. In 1989, he was inducted as a member of the Rolling Stones in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. With the years he has spent with the Rolling Stones, he also formed his own band, Charlie Watts Quintet, where he attended music gigs. With his band Charlie Watts Quintet, they released 4 albums in total. As a musician, producer, composer, and horseman, he was able to earn his net worth of millions. He was best known as the longtime drummer for the Rolling Stones, but is widely regarded as one of the best drummers of his time. He had versatile talent and worked as a producer and composer as well. He was also heavily involved in jazz music production. Besides his musical career, he also gained some of his wealth from his ownership of stakes in the corporate entities of band The Rolling Stones. In addition, he ventured to different businesses, including an Arabian horse stud farm that he runs with his wife. Number 2, Keith Richards. With an estimated net worth of $500 million, Keith Richards tied up Mick Jagger as the wealthiest member of the band. The English musician and songwriter have reached world success with his time with the band. As the band's co-founder, guitarist, and second vocals, he accumulated his wealth during his time with the Rolling Stones. He had appeared in the entire album of the band. He was also honored as a member of the band when he was inducted in 1989 on the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. With the success of the Rolling Stones, Richards was able to bank with it. The band has accomplished selling more than 200 million records across the globe nearly every year. The band consistently tours until his day. In 2018 alone, they were able to earn $117 million just in 14 shows. In addition, Richards and Jagger have written almost all the songs on their albums, which also helped them make millions from royalties. And of course, at number 1, Mick Jagger. Tied with Keith Richards, Mick Jagger is also considered the wealthiest band member of the Rolling Stones with a net worth of $500 million. The English musician and singer is the band's vocalist and the face of the group. He is considered to be one of the best vocalists and also a founding member of the band. He abandoned his studies in the university to join the Rolling Stones and the best decision in his life. After entering the band, the vocalist has written some of the Rolling Stones songs with the band's co-founder and guitarist Keith Richards. Like his fellow members, he was inducted and recognized at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1989. With his ongoing career with the band, Mick Jagger is still continuously banking on the band's success. Like Richards, as co-founder of the group, Jagger consistently earns from the album sale and tour proceeds. With the band's success, they were able to make millions from their yearly tours worldwide. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.